Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install XAMPP on Windows operating system. So let's get started. To download the installer, type XAMPP in your search bar. Click the apachefriends.org link. As you can see, the 8.2.12 is the latest version at the time of making this video. So click on it and the download task should start automatically. If not, you can click this link. Now, after you have downloaded the file, you can double click the installer to start the setup process. If you got this notification, just click OK. Click Next. Here, you can leave all the default selected components as is and click Next. Now here, make sure you have selected the C drive as mine. Don't try to install XAMPP inside another program files folder. C drive followed by XAMPP folder, the same as mine. Now click Next. Now for language, you can select English. Now click Next. Now click Next to start the installation process. Now, if you got this notification window from Windows Security Alert, you can check mark this box to make sure you do not have any network error later, or you can click cancel because this depends totally upon you on how you configure your local network. Now, as you can see, my installation is done. I'm gonna click finish. Now the XAMPP control panel should open automatically. If not, you can click on this Start Windows icon and you should see the control panel in your Start menu. Okay? As you can see, the module service boxes are grayed out, and that's because I launched XAMPP control panel as a regular user. But if you want to run the module service in the background, you need to launch the XAMPP control panel with administrative privilege, okay? So that it will allow you to install the service for each module. Otherwise, you can also start the module using the Start tab under Actions. Now to check if the installation was successful, you can click the Admin tab and this will take you to XAMPP dashboard or to XAMPP welcome page. Okay? This is how you can install XAMPP on Windows operating system. Thank you for watching.